Today we're going to talk about a subtraction problem. Suppose you were to subtract 518 minus 243. You could use the common technique of subtracting from the ones, tens, and hundred columns and borrowing so that each number would subtract evenly, or you could use a different strategy like the one I'm about to show you. What you could do is break the number down and use friendlier numbers. So instead of subtracting minus 243, you would subtract 518 minus 200, then you would subtract by 40, and then you would subtract by 3. It would look something like this. First, you would start with 518 minus 200, and you could count back by 100 in your head fairly easily to find 318. Then you would take that 318 and subtract 40. You could use a number line like the one here on the bottom to count back by 10 until you've taken 40 away from 318. You find 278. Then you take that answer and you subtract 3 from it. So you have 278 minus 3, and you find 275. Now if you look at the screen, you see that we subtracted by 243. Your answer would look something like this, and you find the exact same answer that you would if you were to subtract from the ones, tens, and hundred column. So let's review. First, we broke 243 down into 240 and 3. They are friendlier numbers to subtract by than the full number of 243. So we subtracted 518 minus 200, we counted backwards by 100s, and we found 318. We took that 318 and we subtracted 40 by counting backwards with tens using a number line. We found 278. Once we had that 278, we could easily subtract 3 to find 275.